Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Kia Forte side mirror. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. A trim removal tool is also very helpful for safely prying off interior panels without causing damage. Of course, make sure you have your brand new replacement side mirror ready to go. Having everything at hand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's get that old mirror off. Begin by gently prying off the small interior trim panel that covers the mirror's mounting bolts. Use your trim removal tool for this to avoid scratches. Once the panel is off, you'll see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it. Finally, use your screwdriver to remove the 3 mounting bolts that secure the mirror to the door frame. The old mirror should now be free. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and tighten the 3 mounting bolts to secure it firmly in place. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Before reassembling the trim, take a moment to test the mirror's power adjustments and any integrated turn signals to confirm everything works correctly. You're almost done. Once you've confirmed the new mirror is functioning, carefully snap the interior trim panel back into its original position. Make sure it's flush and secure. Double-check that all connections are tight and the mirror feels stable. Give it one final test to ensure it adjusts smoothly and any additional features, like heating or turn signals, are working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Kia Forte side mirror.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.